Hello and welcome back. If you're serious about nutrition, meal prepping, or crafting gourmet recipes from the comfort of your kitchen, the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender is a must-have powerhouse that delivers exceptional performance with every blend. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast making post-workout smoothies, a home chef whipping up creamy soups, or a busy parent preparing healthy snacks, the E310 stands as a trusted culinary companion. This professional-grade blender features a 2.0 horsepower motor that can pulverize even the toughest ingredients from frozen fruits and ice cubes to fibrous vegetables and nuts. It transforms whole foods into smooth textures in seconds, retaining nutrients and flavor while providing consistent results every time. The E310 is equipped with a 48-ounce container, a perfect size for blending medium batches for small family meals or personal prep. Its low-profile design fits neatly under most kitchen cabinets, maximizing countertop space without compromising power. What makes the E310 stand out is its variable speed control and pulse feature, giving you total control over texture and consistency. Whether you're making silky purees, chunky salsas, nut butters, dips, or thick smoothies, you're in command of your blend. The laser-cut stainless steel blades are designed to handle high speeds and tough ingredients, ensuring durability over time. The E310's friction heating capability also allows you to make hot soups straight from raw ingredients in minutes using only the power of the blades. Built with premium materials and crafted to the highest standards, this blender is engineered for longevity. Cleaning is also simple, just blend warm water with a drop of dish soap on high for 30 to 60 seconds and it's ready for the next use. Finished in a sleek slate color, the Vitamix E310 combines style with performance, making it a beautiful and functional addition to any kitchen. Whether you're blending smoothies, grinding grains, emulsifying sauces, or experimenting with new recipes, this blender empowers you to do more. So if you're looking to level up your kitchen game with professional level blending power, don't wait, buy the Vitamix E310 now, and be sure to subscribe for more top tier appliance reviews and home tech recommendations.